students, welcome back to the class. In today's class, like for your previous assignment, I gave you 4 and 6 marks question and answers from the poem Romeo and Juliet. So in that particular assignment, there were nearly 4 to 5 questions, and you have answered all the questions. And one question that you had was a question on simile. So, like, what are the similes used in the poem? To all the other questions, I don't have to explain because they were very simple. For example, there was a question like, contrast between day, night, and white and black, so that you all know like how both Romeo and Juliet used day, night, and color white, black while describing each other. So there was this particular question on simile. So what are the similes that Shakespeare has used in the poem Romeo and Juliet? Especially, what is a simile? So simile is a figure of speech and it is used to compare one thing with another of a different kind, which means with the use of simile, we compare different things. We use it. For example, in simile there are 2 words, like and as. With the use of like and as, any person can compare 2 different things. So when you use simile, you use it to compare one thing with another thing of different kind. For example, our soldiers are as brave as lions. So here we consider this as a simile because, as I told you, like and as, we have has. Using the word, the writer is comparing soldiers to lions. Are soldiers and lions one and the same? No, they are different things. Soldiers are different, lions are different. But with the help of simile, with the word as, the writer is comparing soldiers to lions. They are as brave as lions. He walks as slowly as a snail. Here, this person, he is compared to a snail. His walking style or the speed of his walk is very slow, so it is compared to that of a snail. And the world is like a stage. These 2 are examples of as, and here we are using like. So like, as are the 2 words that are used in simile to compare one thing with another thing of a different kind. The world here is compared to a stage with the help of simile, that is like. The world is like a stage. Our art is like a gold. Here, this person's art, it is compared to a gold. So in simple, simile means comparisons. In simile, we use as and like as words to compare 2 different things. So in this poem, let's say, what are the comparisons that are there? As a rich jewel in Ethiop's ear, as a rich jewel. So in Yarna, Juliet is compared to what? To a jewel of an Ethiop's, of an African's ear. So Juliet na African ear or ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಜುವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಹೋಲಿಕೆನೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Another one is as yonder lady over a fellow shows. One more comparison, one more simile here is Juliet is considered or is called as a yonder, different, distinct lady among or dancing amidst ದಿ ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇವಳು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಯಾಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಪೋಯೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that's it. Comparison, as and like, when a person or a thing is compared to an another thing or a person, that both should be different. Soldier is different, lions different. World, stage. Here is walking speed is compared to snail. So two different things are compared using like and as. ಸೊ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ತರ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್, ಅವನು ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೀತಾನೆ. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ಸ್ನೇ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಥಿಯೋಪಿಯರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಜುವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಜಾಂಡರ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಅವರು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪೋಯಮ್ ತರೋ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ you have one more unit, that is a sunny morning. I'll give introduction. So a sunny morning, to begin with, it is a one act play. I'll explain what is one act play. I'll tell you the difference between a play and one act play. So a sunny morning, that is the unit that you have prescribed for your second PUC, written by Serafin and Joaquin Alvarez Quintor, who are Spanish brothers. So these two are Spanish brothers, come writers. They wrote together, and they have written nearly 200 plays. And their plays that these two brothers have written together, these plays they deal with, or they describe, depict the manners and speech of the people of Andalusia in southern Spain. So ಇವರು ಸದರನ್ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಆಂಡಲೂಷಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ಅವರ ಮ್ಯಾನರಿಸಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ಲೇಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 200 plays together. And these two brothers, Serafin and Joaquin Alvarez Quintor, they are called or known as the Golden Boys of Madrid Theatre. So this is the title that is given to these two brothers. Together they have written nearly 200 plays, and these plays they depict the mannerism, lifestyle, speech of the people of a place called Andalusia in southern Spain. And here this particular play, A Sunny Morning, which these two brothers have written together, it is a one act play. So what is a one act play? In general, we all know about dramas, plays. So there it includes several acts. Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4, Act 5, and all these acts they include scenes, and scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, like that. But when it comes to one act play, it is already there in the name itself. So like all plays, even one act play includes the same characteristics, the same elements such as theme, plot, character and dialogue. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಟಕಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಟಕಗಳಲ್ಲೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಕೂಡ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಟಕಗಳು ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸೀನ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್, ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟು ಸೀನಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ರೈಟರ್, ಬಟ್ One act plays in general includes only one act, whereas play or a drama includes several acts. Play ಡ್ರಾಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀನ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅ ಸನ್ನಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ play written by Sharafin and Jacqueline Alvarez Quintanillo. And here we have 4 characters in this one act play, A Sunny Morning. These are the characters that we will be studying: Don Laura, Petra, Don Gonzalo, Juanito. Illi we'll be reading conversation between Don Laura, Donna Laura and ಡಾನ್ ಗೊಂಜಾಲೋ. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಮಧ್ಯ ನಡೆಯೋ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆಟ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೋನಾ ಲಾರಾ, ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಚುನ್ನಿಟೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾನ್ ಗೊಂಜಾಲೋ. ಸೊ ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವರು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅ ಸನ್ನಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, in that sunny morning, there are 2 characters who go to a park to enjoy, to sit, to relax. And there, Donna Laura meets Don Gonzalo. And these 2 have gone there along with their servants. Our servants sameta avaru alli hogidare. So alli ivribbru meet agtare, ivribbru madhya conversation nadiyutte aa park alli. So the theme, the plot of this A Sunny Morning, this one act play is what happens between these 2. What do they discuss about? Or madhya ನಡೆಯೋ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಸೀನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಒಂದೇ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವರು ಏನು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್. ಈ ಫುಲ್ ನಾಟಕದ ಕಥೆನೇ ಅಷ್ಟು. And as the story builds up, as the story goes on, it is revealed that these two are nearly in their 70s. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಅವ್ರು 70s ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ their 70s. And when the conversation builds up, when they talk to each other, it is revealed that these 2 are none other than the lovers, the young. They were lovers in their young age. Our young age alli avarigu lovers ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ they can't recognize each other. They don't know who they are. They simply talk as strangers. But as the conversation builds, it is revealed that these 2 are none other than the lovers in their young age. So conversation ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಸನ್ನಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. I have given you all the introduction already to this one act play. So in next class, I'll start directly with the play. I'll start directly with the dialogues. I'll read it and I will explain it to you. Thank you.